Good morning.
Morning.
We are going to be working pretty heavily on the Allegro moderato of duet number 3. Collect our other classmates here. So what I thought I'd do is I'd hit a couple of spots and then aim to run it that I can get a couple of practice recordings for you guys as well. So
Good.
We're gonna start with a practice section starting at measure 9. This is 9 to 16, and I will be playing violin part for this particular practice session. Making sure that those shifts are awake in the morning. So cellos, you can play what you have starting at measure 9 for that number of measures. And we'll be at careful tempo.
We're on number 3.
Duet 3, yeah. Duo 3, measure number 9. Roughly 8 measures worth. 3, 4. So that's our little practice spot. We're going to do it again. Back to measure 9. 3, 4. One more time, same spots. 3, 4. Good deal. Alright, so the next practice spot in the violin part I want to hit is measure 33. And the issue with this part is the second note you play in measure 33. You're playing a G, and in the cello part it's an A. So that when you're in the same room with everybody, I want you to be really secure with what that shift is. So we're going to do, starting at measure 33, about 6-8 measures, probably to measure 40. So everybody play what you have. I'm still playing violin part. 3, 4, 1. Alright, so that's snazzy little practice session again. Ready, and 1. Alright, so then we're going to jump down to measure 59 and do a similar amount down there. We'll do 59 to 70. 3, 4, 1. Same place, 59 to 70, 3, 4, 1. So cello players, I did not forget you. I'm trying to do all of the ones in one clef before I do all the ones in the other clef. We're gonna do starting at 54. And we might just make this a really long section because I think that'll be faster than stopping and starting a bunch of times. So this is 54 to about 80. Everybody's ready for a longer section. 3, 4. Shift. C sharp. D. D sharp. E. Place you're going is third position, fourth, second, stay in second, fourth, second again, F, position. Fourth, second. Stay in second. Fourth, second again. And then you're probably home free. So we're going to hit that rather longer section again, starting at measure 54. Trying to be extra fair. 54, 3, 4, shift, shift, second. Fourth, second. Everybody take a deep breath, mark what you need to. I'm going to play cello part first, since I was just reading bass clef, and we're going to be going from the beginning all the way to the end. A little more briskly than we were just going, so I can be sure to get it, but not as fast as we were last week. I see fingering writings or something, so we'll give it half a second. So we're at the beginning, the entire thing. One, two, three, four. you didn't get every single note, you at least knew which measure we were in with those couple spots that we practiced ahead of time. So we're going to do the same thing, only I'm going to be playing violin part, so you'll have the chance to do the opposite of what you were just doing. Deep breath. Alright, from the top. One, two, three, four. Forgot about that shift to the C right before the end. But I'm going on the violins, got to practice it enough times it wasn't scary. Let's do just the ending. We'll do 80 to the end. Three, four. Alright, still 80 to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hit another quick section. This is 15 to 33. So everybody find measure 15. 3, 4. Go back to 15. Hopefully that was a nicer ending spot than the one I said initially. Alright. Measure 15, 3, 4. ideally I was able to guess the right spots that needed a little bit of extra practice for people to feel secure with this movement. Next week my plan is to do another round of bowing practice. So we'll probably use Katrina again for that. And then we'll move into the next movement of this duo. And whether I can split that in the same class or if it will take two classes, I guess it will depend on how our bowing goes. But it should be easier to explain this time around than it was the first time. So, any feedback is welcome now.
Thank you, Miriam.
Thank you. Good.
Thumbs up. All right, that's a feedback.
For violins, 14 would have been a smarter.
You're not close enough to the microphone to pick up. However it's set.
Measure 14 would have been a better start for violins so that they have to make that shift.
Still not.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's not working today.
Yeah. She said 14 would have been a better starting point for the violins.
Well, see, I see Carla's lips moving too. Is it something on my end?
Is that better?
Can you hear
It
me?
must be her. Carla, can you hear us?
All right, apparently it's silent feedback day.
I can hear you.
Okay, so on either speaker, I switched speakers, but on either one, Carla can hear and Miriam can't.
I'll check into it for next time. Maybe there's a new special setting to update that I am unaware of.
Everyone
Everybody have a
have
great week.
Nice to talk to you, Carla.